In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix number keys not working in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Click the Start menu on your taskbar, then type mouse keys into the search bar. From the results, click mouse keys under System Settings. On the Settings page, locate the mouse keys section. If the options are not visible, click the row to expand it. If the feature is turned off, turn it on first, so you can access all available settings. Now find the option that says only use mouse keys when numlock is on. Click the checkbox to uncheck this option. This prevents numlock from switching your numeric keypad into mouse control mode. If the issue is still there, go back to the top of the same section and find the main mouse keys toggle. Click it and switch it to off. This ensures your number pad is used strictly for typing numbers. Next, return to the accessibility menu, then click keyboard, look for filter keys, click the toggle and make sure it is turned off. Click the filter keys row to expand more options, then check that ignore brief or repeated keystrokes is also turned off. Follow the on-screen instructions to apply any fixes that Windows detects. If the issue continues, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Click the small arrow next to Keyboards to expand the list. Right-click your keyboard device, then click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver after reboot. Finally, press Ctrl plus Windows key plus O to open the on-screen keyboard. Try pressing the number keys there. If they work on screen but not on your physical keyboard, the issue may be related to your hardware. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.